Quick update on the 2024 Taco and the King shocks that we ordered for it. If you recall, one of the coilovers unfortunately did not fit. We had the other side in, it was looking great, we were excited. And then I tried to put the other one on and the bolts would just not match with the shock tower. It seemed like a very unlikely scenario that the plate was wrong. But anyways, I called King, I spoke to Luciano, he was great by the way, he resolved the issue almost immediately. They just asked for a couple pictures, a couple measurements. We sent that out and I confirmed I was not crazy. So they sent one out immediately. All right, so we just got a package from King the very next day. So it's yesterday that I called King and I explained the whole situation. It was maybe about noon and I'm receiving the package at noon today. So nice. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, King. Thank you, Luciano. And that's gonna put us back on track with this. Thanks to King and their quick turnaround with the replacement part, we managed to get those in. The other one is already in as well. So I just want to show you how the reservoir is mounted here. First thing you want to do to mount the reservoir, you're going to get these brackets. I already kind of put it together, but you're going to build it this way. This is for the driver's side. Comes with a bracket and this little silver bracket, and it's basically the same concept as the one I showed you in the rear. This is the bracket that goes inside the frame. All right, so we're just gonna pry this out. Should be pretty simple. There we go. You hold the bracket from the square to tab in the back. This one goes forward. Slide it inside the frame. Twist it. Oh, I actually did it backwards. It goes this way. Yeah, so hold it like this. Slide it inside the frame, twist it, and then push back against the frame. You're gonna see the front part of it come out and then slide it forward. There we go. Once you do that, the reservoir is just gonna sit right in front like that, and then you're gonna put the bolts through. Now I'm gonna have to drop the camera for that, but that's basically it, and that's how everything should look at the end. Ooh, that color combination. We go to the other side. Damn. Looks awesome. It's another day working on the 4th gen Taco, and I just realized as I was driving it out after setting up the lift, fixing the Kings, and then giving him some preload, I may have gone a little overboard. The front is way too high compared to the back. Now we are lifting the back as well, but for the time being, it's just way too high in the front. I don't think that's gonna work out. Also, it drives pretty terribly as of right now. So we'll definitely have to do something about that. We have a set of factory Tundra springs for the rear that are supposed to go in there nicely. We haven't tried it out and I have not done enough research to confirm that theory of the Tundra springs fitting the Taco, but we're gonna try that out. I would expect it to lift the rear. If they do fit, if they are the same diameter and they do sit right, I would expect the Tundra springs to lift the back of the Taco a little bit. They might be a little stiff. We're not sure. We have to do a little bit more research, but we have the springs anyway, just in case. So that's the plan as of right now. And the front, we're gonna just lower it a little, make it a little more comfortable, because the way it sits right now and the way it drives is just not right. I did go a little overboard with this, so we're gonna have to bring this down, and then we'll see how we sit after that. So it turns out Tundra springs fit perfectly on a Tacoma axle. So this is what we're gonna run with. It should be giving us some lift. We don't know exactly how much yet, but they fit nicely. They're a little stiffer and they're a little higher. So hopefully hopefully it works with the Kings in the front. We'll adjust it and we'll show you how it looks. All right, so we're finally done with the 4th gen Taco. We adjusted the preload in the front and it now rides as it's supposed to. It rides so smooth, it's really nice. We have not tested off-road, but if you wanna see that, definitely stay tuned. We installed the Tundra factory spring in the rear of the Taco, and it fits perfectly. Actually worked exactly as intended, which is a little surprising. I didn't know this was possible until recently, looking at a couple forums, but now it's looking exactly the way we wanted it to look.